Greetings from the beautiful island of Bali. Today we are going to go out into the garden and select our own vegetables to prepare for a delicious Balinese style lunch. So follow along. This is part of a group tour with Veggies Abroad, plant-based touring, and the food has been fantastic.
Hello. So in here we have the white lemongrass. So the white one we use for your tea. For your cooking as well.
This is lemongrass,
that's
used
scary.
for deterring mosquitoes.
Yeah, for my
And Matt Kessie's.
And Matt Kessie's.
Little bouquet.
A bouquet of.
like this also.
Boom boom papaya.
Bumbu papaya.
So it's a little yellow.
The rice is just by itself. It's not in the water.
Definitely need to cook food. Sama-sama. So I hope everybody enjoyed.
Do you want me to take?
It smells absolutely June.
Okay, we have like a tofu in here, and we have like a jagung vegetable, young papaya, and the best one is fermented soya bean.
Oh, Tom, you're nailing it there. Nailed it.
Everything underwater.
We are on a vegan tour of the country, so we got to see some of the highlights, and we're getting off the beaten path, all vegan style.
And how can people find you?
They can find me at veggiesabroad.com. There is a big tab at the top that says vegan tours, and we have multiple for next year, 2025. You should join us.
And then after the tofu, I take it 1 spoon from yours, and then 1 spoon from here. Because
It might be a little bit different.
I'm hungry and I need work.
It's all good.
It's all good?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the eating, though.
You want the eating part?
I want the eating part.
I'm here with Tini, and she is our local guide.
We are in the east of Bali. Names of village is like a Sidemen, not Sidemen. Sometimes the
Sidemen.
people tell Sidemen, but the real spell is like a Sidemen.
And what is this area known for?
This is like a center of the a farm. A lot of like a rice field. You can see a garden a lot, and the center of vegetable also in this area.
Spinning. Like the earth around the sun. I am a bad flipper. We can use the the strawberry juice.
Now for the best part, we get to eat the food that we created today. Yes, thank you.
Soya sauce.
So thumbs up, everybody. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road.